We asked this question to our audience this week too, Scott. This is our question of the week. We said, hey, the vol impact of the recent Middle East conflict already appears to be fading. This was, of course, yesterday. We said, is this it, or is this just the calm before the storm? Quite simply, will this conflict still be impacting VIX and the markets 1 month from now? And our audience thinks it is. 58.6% right now, Scott, thinks we'll still be dealing with some vol impact of this conflict a month from now. 41.4% says no. So it's pretty close to down the middle, but obviously biased towards the yeses. What are your thoughts on that, Mr. Scott?
Yeah, that's the interesting question too, isn't it? Two things, they're in conflict. So each of these traders who's listening have to make up their own mind. First thing is, and I mentioned this with regard to tail decks, when it comes to selling options, people are very quick now to come in, flood in, and try and sell options once they get expensive. And we saw that early this week, selling options just as quickly as they could. The second thing I would say is that volatility is heteroscedastic, meaning it is not a random walk. Volatility gets high and stays high for a while, then it gets low and stays low for a while, then it gets high, then it repeats itself. So it's not a random walk. It gets high and stays high for a while, although given all the option sellers, it stays high for less time than it used to. But that's also something to take advantage of.